Hi, it took me all afternoon to clean this workshop, to clean all the benches up. Like, this has all been cleaned here. Yeah, check my heaters if they're working. So that's what all got them all out. That's all been done. So the bench is nice and clean again. Swept the floor as well, you can see. Right, onto these two Rotavators, Merrt Wolseley. Right, they say let it run out of petrol, so I did. Now they won't start. Put some petrol in, they won't start. I started this one the other day, and I thought it was going fine, but then it started it up, and it was popping and banging. I thought, what is going on here? Same problem. When you let them run out of petrol, and I even put another filter in here, which you cannot see, can you? The light is not there. So I cleaned the pipe out on that one, right through to the carb. So it's definitely the carb, and it's definitely the carburetor on this one. And they put all brand new bits inside this carb. So that's what happens when you let them run out of petrol. The dirt goes into the carb, then they won't start. So let's strip all these two down now. And this is brand new exhaust, so I'm going to take that exhaust off and stick it on that one, and that one goes on to here. Okay, please subscribe and comment on these two Rotavators. Thanks for watching, bye, and Happy New Year 2021. Bye.